All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the different candidate solutions to our problem, and we're going to identify which of these candidate solutions would satisfy the second criteria. That is, the allocation satisfies the budget constraint of the consumer. All right, so now we have information on the different combinations of toffee bars and cashew nuts that satisfy the first criteria. That is, the marginal utility per dollar for toffee bars equal to the marginal utility per dollar of cashew nuts. Now, in order for us to identify which of these combinations satisfy the second criteria, we need to compute the expenditures associated with each combination. So what we're going to do is this. So we're going to multiply 1 unit of toffee bars times the price of the toffee bar. And similarly, we do it for cashew nuts. So we have here 2 times the price of cashew nuts, which is given here. And what we have is 1 times 1 is 1, plus 2 times 1, you have it equal to $3. Well, we know that our consumer has $7 to spend. So here, it clearly satisfies our budget. So it's well below $7. However, this consumer can still improve, meaning that this consumer can still purchase more toffee and cashew. In this way, he or she can use all of the budget and still satisfy the first criteria. So although $3 is fine, like it satisfies our income, but it's suboptimal. It's not the optimal combination. So let's look at the other combination. So we have here 3 times $1 plus 4 times $1, and we have here $7. So clearly, we see that it's equal to this consumer's income. And we can repeat the same computation for the rest. All right, so I did the computation of expenditures for the rest of the combinations. Now my question for you is this. Which of the following combinations satisfy, number 1, the marginal utility per dollar for each of these goods are equalized, and number 2, it satisfies our consumer's budget constraint? Well, clearly here what we can see is that these other combinations, 5, 6, 6, 6, and 7, 7, they are over the budget. So clearly these combinations are not good. They won't work. The first combination of 1 and 2, 1 toffee bar and 2 cashew nuts, as I've said earlier, we're under budget. So we still have more dollar to spend. So our consumer can still improve by purchasing more. So what we're left is 3 toffee bars and 4 cashew nuts. It turns out that it's equal to our income. So our conclusion is this. This combination right here is the one that maximizes our consumer's satisfaction subject to the budget constraint. Now, I leave this question for you. What do you think will happen to our consumer if income, for instance, increased from $7 to $11? I will leave it up to you to solve. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.